to you all. This is Umkhula Dlanganyezi Impande Gabezizweni. It's been a while, so yes, I'll be posting and sharing a lot of videos to you guys. But today, sizokhuluma kabanzi ukuthi before you light impepho ekhaya, you need to do the first thing. Number one, you need to do a cleansing. When I'm talking about the cleansing, to go in a river and do a cleansing, you can use a chicken, you can use holy water and the lighting pepper to cleanse yourself, and then you look fresh. Then you can start lighting a pepper. Because siphila endaweni ezahlukahlukene, there's a lot of different energies in this world. We make sure that we cleanse ourselves. Then again, uyahamba ke uyoxolisa kumuntu oxabene naye, because there is inhlambuluko. Awuyilathi impepho uxolene nomuntu noma ekhaya noma uzonda umuntu or wenze into enjalo. Okay, like for example, like umuntu oxabene naye mhlambe umuntu oyokhuluma naye empepheni, maybe uma wakho mashona, and wena uxabene nengane yakhe for no reason, and then when uyokhuluma nalowo muntu, lowo muntu uzothinike mephakama ke empepheni ukuthi hawu uxabane nengane yami kodwa futhi uzocela mina ukuthi into zakhe zikhanye, like how? So it's so very important, because you don't know who's gonna be like present in the particular moment, the time we light impepho. So we need to be very straight to impepho, prepare ourselves. Sendle inhlambuluko ngaso sonke isikhathi. So ngiyacela ukuthi makube kanjalo. Number 2 loyo. So number 3, make sure ukuthi mozo light impepho abantu abaningi ekhaya bakhona baphelele. Ingane bonke abantu basekhaya baphelele, bakhona abantu abadala bakhona, mekuthi wena ulight impepho ekhaya umncane or inkosana. If you are spiritually gifted and you have to light impepho, you need to call your ancestors first and then you light impepho, because they are the one who so have power to speak even more than anything in the family members. So kumele uphakamise ini idlozi lakho kwima ulayitha impepho. But if you are spiritually gifted, but if you're not spiritually gifted, it's fine, but you can light impepho. Call everyone. That is so very important. Number 5, make sure when you light impepho, you taking care of the family. When I'm saying taking care of the family, you are so responsible. You're making sure that everybody is okay. You're making sure that you do not like ignore people whenever they need something from you. But I'm not saying because you're a breadwinner, you have to be a pride to say, I'm the one who's going to speak in baby because I'm doing everything here. I'm saying that you need to be available for your family. You need to be always there for them. You can able to go and light in pepper, and because you're doing good things to the family, you see. And another thing, make sure when you light in pepper, you are not drunk, you are not like feeling dizzy or something. You know, if you're smoking, you can just avoid smoking maybe for 2 days or 3 days, or just get rid of it, you see. Or make sure you are so clean. You don't do sex. You take maybe 2 days, because maybe tomorrow on Saturday you're gonna light in pepper for your family, you see. So make sure you avoid those things. They are so very important to consider. But ngiyacela emakhaya ukuthi sibe nokuqonda, singaphithanisi izinto, kodwa abantu abadala abanzima into abadinga inhlonipho nomuntu owenza izinto ngendlela noyithandayo kakhulu. Badinga ingane. Ngisho kuthiwa labantu ba usungakanani, usuna 50 years, labantu badala uyingane kubona. So babona uyingane enkulu kakhulu ngoba bona badala balala. So ngiyacela ukuthi-ke masihlonipheni, sikhulekeni, sibonge ukuthi konke kwethu kuyambuleleka. I will continue like posting videos and sharing like my own knowledge and share to you guys. So thank you.